Okay, cool. Now in the developer tab, click the developer tab. And in the developer tab, click under controls group. You have an insert with an arrow pointing downwards. You click on the arrow pointing downwards. And under the active X controls, this is a control that looks like an A, B with a little bar to its right. Okay. A, B with a little bar to its right. And you click on that. And then you drag and draw that box. I'm doing it in A12. You can give this box a little bit of a height. And then when you get this box, we need to now link this box to the cell that we placed it in. So to link the box to the cell, you right-click on the box and go to Properties. You right-click on the box and you click Properties. One of the property will be called Linked Cell. In the linked cell, you will now choose A12 because that's the cell location over which I drew the box. A12. Okay. You can then hit enter after you type A12. And then you can close the properties. And then you can click on the design mode. Design mode is right now synced in. You can click on the design mode so that you are out of the design mode. So the design mode should not be synced in anymore. Now we will select the table, this table, the data set. I'm going to say. We will click the Home tab. And in the Home tab, we will go under Conditional Formatting. This is where we went last time as well, where we learn about highlight cell rules. We learn about data bars, color scales, icon sets. Now we will learn how you can write your own rules. And that's where the new rule comes in. So I selected all of these, all of the data, and I click New Rules. In the new rules, you will click on Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. And in the formula bar is where we write our formula. And search. We want to search which box? A12. A12. That's the box we want to search because that's the box in which the data will be written. So we want to search the A12 box. And I want to search the column that starts with E2, which is basically where the supervisor comments are. I want to search in that column, in that box. And in case A12 is empty, then don't do anything. So A12 should not be equals to empty cell. Let me put this formula in the chat. That'll be easier for everybody to see. Copy it from there, however, and search. the cell from where you're grabbing the value, the column in which you're searching for that value, and we want to make sure, because that's why I use the and not just the search, because I want both conditions to be true, that it should be searched and it should not be empty. Now what I want to do is I want to format this. Means when the search is found, those cells should be different color. So after I write the formula, I will click the format button and I will go to fill, and I'll just use a different fill background because right now I have a blue theme. So I'll go with a yellow just so that it pops up a little bit. Click OK, and then click OK again. Okay, awesome. And then it becomes searchable if you have done the other steps.